Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are going to draw a cute rabbit. Let's start. First, draw two big round eyes. Next, draw a small nose. Now draw a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the rabbit's head. Great! Now draw two long rabbit ears. Now, draw the rabbit's body and legs. Finally, draw a small fluffy tail. Let's add some grass and small stones on the ground. Now, let's color our rabbit. Color the nose pink. Color the inside of the ears pink. Now lightly shade the rabbit's body with a pencil. This will make the rabbit look soft and fluffy. The grass green. Wow, great job! Color the ground light brown. Your rabbit looks so cute! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Kids Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next drawing. Bye!